In today's video, I'll teach you how to change whatnot password. First of all, launch open whatnot application. You can see over here whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the password, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Under the section for account, you'll be able to find this option for change password at second last. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to the browser. In order to change your password, first of all what you have to do is enter the current password. If you have forgotten your password, you'll be able to find the option for forgot password over here. Tap on it, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to reset your password. Otherwise, you can simply enter your current password over here. Now enter the new password. Likewise, confirm the new password. Now after you do that, tap on this option change password that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your password has been successfully changed. So like this you'll be able to change the password. So that is how you change whatnot password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.